This morning, which is September 11th, Wednesday, body of Mr. Anil Arora, father of Bollywood actor Malaika Arora, was found inside the premise. As per reports, he jumped off the terrace of this resident Aisha Menor in Bandra from the 6th floor. He resided in this building, and it is said that he allegedly jumped off from the terrace of his house and was found dead between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning. Immediately, the police was informed, and the Bandra police, along with the forensic team, arrived at the residence to conduct a thorough investigation. Prima facie, it is reported that this could be a suicide, but there is no confirmation given by the police or the family at this moment. The official announcement and statement from the police is awaited, but many sources also claim that this could not be a suicide but an accidental death. However, no confirmation, again I repeat, no confirmation has been received from the family or the police in this matter. His body was sent immediately to the nearby hospital for a post-mortem, and a thorough investigation and examination is currently underway. The reason behind the death is still unknown, and there has been no history of a long ailment that has been reported by the family so far with regards to Mr. Anil Arora. As per sources, there was no financial stress that he was going through, but again, there is no confirmation on the same provided by the family or the police at the moment. The family is currently in deep shock, and no statement from their side is expected at the given moment. However, DCP Zone 9 visited the resident early in the morning, and according to them, a thorough investigation is currently ongoing, and they cannot give any statement further without further investigation. The family members are currently inside the residence and are in complete shock. Bollywood fraternity has been coming in large numbers to offer their condolences to the bereaved family. The first to arrive was Salim Khan, Sohail Khan, along with Arbaz Khan, the ex-husband of Malaika Arora. As per visuals that we have seen, Salim Khan and Sohail Khan left the residence after a short while, but Arjun Kapoor was also seen coming inside and offering his condolences to the bereaved family. Not just them, also biggies like Kareena Kapoor Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Chunky Pandey, Ananya Pandey, Dinu Moria, Neha Dhupia, all of them arrived to offer their condolences and be with the family in this time of grief. It can be noted that this news has come as a huge shock to the entire family and also to the fraternity, given that there was no reports on any financial issue or ailment that he was suffering from. Anil Arora is survived by Malaika Arora, her sister Amrita Arora, and mother. He used to reside in this building, Aisha Menor, in Bandra, and would reside on the 6th floor of the building. This is a 7-story building, and his body was found dead inside the premise in the morning hours of 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The police was notified immediately, and they are currently investigating. The body is sent for a post-mortem, but we don't have any more updates on the same so far. It can also be noted that no suicide note has been found from the residence, but the investigation again is ongoing. Suspected to be a suicide, it is also said that this could be an accidental death. Prima facie, an accidental death report, which is called an ADR, has been filed, but it can only be ascertained after a thorough examination the real reason behind Anil Arora's sudden demise. He was 62 at the time of death and was not suffering from any ailment as per information available from sources. However, it is only the family that can ascertain the real cause behind his sudden death. Again, he was very young to have this untimely death, and the entire industry is shocked at this point. It can also be noted that Malaika Arora and her family, Amrita Arora and mother, would stay separated way earlier during their childhood and would stay in Chembur with their mother. But they had a very cordial relationship with Mr. Anil Arora. As per reports, Anil Arora was also in the Indian Merchant Navy. He would work there and was said to have a very cordial relationship with the Arora sisters and the mother. This news has really come as a shock to the entire Arora family, who is currently in deep shock. In fact, Malaika was not even in Mumbai at the time of this incident and is said to have rushed back to be with the family in this time of grief. The security outside the Ayesha Manor has been beefed up to ensure no mishaps. Many Bollywood celebrities, including the Khan family, is expected to visit the Arora family to be with them in this time of grief. It is to be noted that the Khan family and Arora family share a very cordial relationship despite Arbaz and Malaika's separation recently. They continue to share a very cordial relationship, and it can be seen with the fact that the Khan family was the first to arrive as soon as the news broke out. Salim Khan, Sohail Khan, Arbaz Khan and Helen was seen was there with the family in this time of grief. As you can see, this is the Ayesha Manor where he resided on the 6th floor, from where he is allegedly said to have jumped off from the terrace of the 6th floor house. Yeah, again, I would repeat that the forensic team is currently inside the premise, and they have been here since morning conducting a thorough investigation. Since we have been standing here outside for a long time, we could see the police and the forensic team coming to and fro from the resident during the process of this entire ongoing investigation. The Bandra police is yet to give out a statement in this matter, while the earlier statements only confirm the fact that Mr. Anil Arora, also being called Mr. Anil Mehta, was found dead inside the premise at the age of 62, and a thorough investigation is ongoing. That was the only statement made by DCP Zone 9, Mr. Raj Tilak. A complete statement, a detailed statement on the matter is awaited and is expected to come out shortly. The Bandra police and the forensic team is still inside since morning, conducting a thorough investigation as the fraternity comes and offers their condolences to the Arora family. At this point, we are awaiting more details about the incident from the police and from the family, while it is being said that the family will not be making any statement anytime soon, as they are still coming to terms with this sudden news of tragic death of Mr. Anil Arora, who was their father. Mr. Anil Arora was not in news so much because he stayed away from the limelight. He would work with the Indian Merchant Navy, but he never really made a public appearance, so very little is known about him in media. However, this news sent a shock wave to the entire industry, given that it is still to be ascertained whether this was a suicide or an accidental death. In both cases, it is still not known. The real reason behind this tragic death is yet to be known. We are awaiting more details from the police, from the Bandra police, who is with the forensic team currently inside conducting a thorough investigation.